Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on POCO C50. And to do this you need to open your Google Play Store, inside find Microsoft Edge and install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Here we can sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it, accept or disagree with the data sharing preference and click on confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And you can start browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.